How businesses will be discovered in 2026 and how we can win. Your customers aren't finding businesses the way they used to. Not because your serving isn't good, not because your pricing is wrong, but because discovery has fundamentally changed. Today, people get answers without clicking websites. They search inside Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. They ask AI tools before they ever call a business. So if you are still marketing the way you did in 2024, you are already behind. I'm Naveen Kishore Babu, CEO and founder of LinkBuffer Studios in Edmonton. We work with local and growing businesses on websites, SEO, AEO, content, video, and automation, all focused on one thing: getting found and chosen. And what am I about to share isn't theory. It's what you're seeing right now across industries. These are 8 shifts that will decide which business win in 2026. Trend 1. Discovery is happening without clicks. For the first time, a massive percentage of searches end without a website visit. People get answers directly from social platforms, maps, AI summaries, in-app search results. That means being visible matters more than being clicked. How to win? Your brand must appear inside the answer. Your content must be clear, structured, and trustworthy. Your business must be understood instantly. If your value isn't obvious in seconds, you are invisible. Trend 2. Stop sending traffic away too early. When you tell people link in bio or visit our website, you introduce friction. Platforms reduce reach when the content pushes users away, and users drop off when pages are slow or confusing. How to win? Capture leads inside the platform. Use comment to direct messages and messaging automation. Ask a few quick questions, then book or call. The easier it is, it's more people convert. Trend 3. Search has moved beyond Google. Search no longer means just Google. People search on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Marketplace, AI tools, even browser themselves. Your customers move across platform before making decision. How to win? Optimize the content for search everywhere. Use natural keywords in spoken words, captions, on-screen text, descriptions. Build topic clusters, not one on-off post. If you show up in one place, you lose. Trend 4. AI is powerful, but blind trust is costly. AI creates speed, but also mistakes. Most teams use AI to generate final answers instead of first drafts. That lead to wrong stats, misleading claims, broken trust. How to win? Use AI for ideation and drafts. Always validate facts, pricing, policy, and local rules. Keep human judgment in control. AI doesn't replace intelligence, it amplifies it, for better or worse. Trend 5. AI is becoming a discovery engine. AI tools don't just answer questions anymore. They recommend businesses and they prefer sources that are structured, consistent, frequently updated, and clearly authoritative. So how to win? Publish FAQs, comparisons, cost guides, step-by-step explanations, best options content, use clean formatting, keep content fresh and updated. If AI can easily understand you, it can recommend you. Trend 6. Advertising is moving from keywords to identity. The future of ads isn't just about what people type. It's about who they are and what they care about. Businesses won't compete only in keywords. They compete on associations. How to win? Be very specific about who you help. Repeatedly publish content around your niche. Use first-party data, leads, bookings, and calls. Consistency trains algorithms and trust builds demand. Trend 7. Your website is becoming a data source and browsers are turning into AI assistants. They will summarize, compare, recommend often before someone visits a website. How to win? Build your website for clarity, not decoration. Use clear service sections, FAQs on every page, schema markup, first mobile performance. Trust your site as trusted reference, not just a browser. Even without clicks, your site still performs. Trend 8. As AI generates content explodes, real humans stand out. Live videos, real explanations, unscripted answers, these build trust faster than anything else. So, how to win? Go live weekly or bi-weekly, teach, answer questions, explain real cases, repurpose one live session into many short clips. Authenticity is the new advantage. How to win in 2026? Marketing in 2026 isn't about doing more, it's about showing up where discovery happens. Being clear instead of clever, building trust before the click, teaching platforms who you help. If you want LinkBuffer Studios to help you get found everywhere, turn attention into real leads, build systems that scale visibility and trust, send us a message with the word GROW. I am Naveen Kishore Babu, CEO and founder of LinkBuffer Studios. Don't chase the future, build it.